Alright, I'll be showing you how to replace motherboard and power supply on SC series. So first of all, tilt the machine over. There will be screws that you need to remove. And also you need to remove the feet from the machine. So once you do that, you can lift the cover up. Expose wind tunnels with the machine. So this is the motherboard right here. And on the other side is your power supply. Alright, so motherboard and power supply hold by the screw on the other side. Okay. So there is 4 screws holding the motherboard, so you need to unscrew those. And additionally 4 screws that hold in the power supply, so you need to unscrew those as well. So after that you can grab your replacement motherboard. And the easiest way to do it is just go one connection at a time. So pretty much just gently lift it up to make sure that you put the correct orientation of the ribbon. It's really important, because if you put it like this, the cartridge is not going to go up and down. Alright, so that's the main power to the motherboard, and there's 2 switches for the motor, X and Y switches. Alright, so once you replace all of that, make sure that everything is snug. We can go to the power supply. So again, grab your replacement power supply, and the easiest way to do it is to go one screw at a time. So unscrew one, remove it, there is a fork that looks like that, and then slide it in your replacement power supply. Alright, so once you replace all your parts, you can gently lift the cover off. And screw in the screw that holds in the plate. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 feet on both sides.